used to get quite a lot of deer. Ernest Brown, he was a builder and a damn good one. He's the first man I started working for, doing carpenter work in '63. And anything he asked you to do, he knew how long it should take and how much work there was in it, because he had done it. A damn good man.
Where was he from, in this area?
He lived in, he grew up in Johnston, but he lived in Morrisville all the time. He was up up building the asbestos mines, buildings and everything up there. 13 years he worked building all that stuff up there.
Who owned that back then?
It probably was Ruberoid.
Yeah.
If it wasn't, it was soon afterwards.
Now, one of the first mines was in Johnson, wasn't it, originally?
Well, I don't know
on
that.
On 118.
It was in Eden, and they left there in about 45 or 6 and went on the low side.
Low side, yeah.
47, we went up there 2 or 3 times with the gate to see the operation. Well, wander out of here and come to much.
Purrs like a kitten. I said it purrs like a kitten.
I've had good engines. I've had 3 of them in here. UD-18A International, the 13,000 cat, and this $16,000 Chalmers. This is the best one of all, but the newest one of all. 14 different kinds of potatoes in 1 year, right here. 14 different kinds, and every potato has got a different colored blossom. Every species got a different colored blossom. These are all Yukon Gold.
I put in those Green Mountain ones this year.
Green Mountains are good potatoes, but they're harder to raise than anything else and a lot more susceptible to disease.
So that must have been a greenhouse over here, huh?
Charles built that 15 years ago, probably. He got put new plastic on it. I guess they planted something in here 2 days ago. But he's so goddamn busy cutting wood with that processor. He's got the best processor there is around, by far the best. He made a tumbler for it. He's got $10,000 in the tumbler, go on the end of the conveyor. And they ain't making him any extra money, and that kind of bugs me.
They got a saw on it where he...
Oh yeah, he built
his own
thing.
Yeah.
A 30-horse motor on the saw, and a CTR slasher head pivot point. Chain in the conveyor is that wide, the kind of chain they used to pull logs into the West Coast mills with. They designed the whole goddamn thing and built it. He probably got 45,000 in it. But they cut about between 17, somewhere around 1,700 cord with it.
Pushes it right through there.
Oh, it cuts it home to beat hell.
What's the head look like? It cuts like
Well, it's a big chainsaw bar.
Yeah, but when it goes through the split thing, is that like 6 or 7?
He started with 3/4 inch plates for wedges, and he'd tearing them wedges right apart. The welds would hold, but he ripped them 3/4 inch plates right apart. So now his wedges are an inch thick, and they're holding now. It's a big son of a bitch with a cylinder that push the blocks through. It's a 4-way wedge now. Then it drops into the trough and up a conveyor, and then they got another splitter on the conveyor. And they grab the big blocks out of the conveyor and resplit them before it goes up to the end of the conveyor and through the tumbler.
So they're all done when they hit the wagon.
So if a man could keep up on the splitter on the conveyor, then the wood is all uniform size when it goes out the other end. He's way ahead of any commercial one. But he just cut 150 cord down on Jack Dwyer's for Kevin Fisk, and he's up to Stanley Reed's place there, and they'll cut another 150. Then he's got to go down the traps. He's probably got 300 down there. Then maybe he come home and he's got a 450G John Deere crawler in the shop. All new running gear to go under, they ain't touched. And that skidder's been here for 2 months and he ain't touched that. He might get a chance to do something with it sometime.
How many beef cows you got out there?
Well, there's 2 heifers and 2 bulls, and a calf, and another little calf in the barn, and another one coming. But they've got to give them more room out there. They got that all chewed down. It needs to be, fence needs to be changed. One bull I've got to weigh 1,000 pounds.
They're good eating though, aren't
Well,
they?
it should be, yes.
Angus?
No, there's some Angus in it, I think. Yes, I think there is some Angus in it.
This your shop.
One boys ain't got a goddamn bit of respect for women.